Hi everyone, Joseph Place here once again, and today we'll be talking about the second trading system that we'll be sharing with you guys in this basic course. So please ensure you stay tuned and you listen, pay very rapt attention in this second trading system that will be taught. Alright, so starting off with a risk warning, trading leverage products such as Forex and derivatives may not be suitable for all investors. So please pause this and take a good look at this risk warning. Ensure you fully understand what it is about before proceeding to watch this video. So there are sets of indicators once again that we would need for this trading system, and most of them are from the same we used yesterday. So we have the moving averages, all right, just the same like we had yesterday, just that's we have the 50 turning to the 20 moving average and a 3 moving average from the 4. So um, every other thing pretty much remains the same. All right, we have the stochastics from 25 to 75 moving to 20 to 80. All right, and then we have a MACD that will be adding today. All right, and exactly, so that's exactly what we have for this um, strategy. So let me show you guys what that looks like. So this is exactly what it looks like. All right, and you know how to add a moving average. So basically come here to trend and you say moving average. So simply add whatever period you want to add, right, and all. Then you could also, for the stochastics, simply come here and you have oscillators. Then you see a stochastic oscillator. It might not be up here, it could be somewhere down there. So just check there and you'd find the stochastic oscillator where the periods and all as indicated in the slides here. And then we have the MACD. This is the MACD indicator window. All right, and this is how you activate this indicator. Simply come to, yeah, just simply open the indicator well tab, and then you have it there, MACD up here. Or you could simply um, come to oscillators and you have it there as MACD. All right, if it's not here, it will surely be here, MACD here. So when you click on it, you're going to have different fast EMA, slow EMA, MACD, SMA. So those are the three that we have here: fast EMA, slow, and all that. So that's exactly what we have here. So just so you guys know how to set up your charts, that's why I elaborated on that example. So how does this work? All right, it best works on a 1 hour time frame. And just like a recap, for a recap on the 1 hour, these are the time frames, and this is how you change them just by clicking on them. We have the 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, and monthly. All right, so those are the time frames that we have on the MT4, and this is a 1 hour. Like I said yesterday, when you put your cursor on it, you would have it written out there, 1 hour H1 in brackets. So that's exactly the 1 hour time frame, and this strategy or trading system best works on the 1 hour. All right, so we do not advise that you trade it on the 50 minutes or you try it on the 5 minutes. It's not going to deliver so effectively. So this is a buy setup. All right, so for example, for a buy, the first thing you want to see is that the price is above the 200 moving average, which is we have an example here, so don't worry about it. All right, so we're even using a volatility index to give you guys this example. So we have this is the 200 moving average, and this is 200 moving average, this is a 20, and then this is a 3. So you have um the price should be above this 200 moving average, sorry, this 200 moving average here, and you have the price above it. All right, so that's pretty awesome. That's the first row. The second thing is that you want to see that the 3 EMA and the 20 EMAs cross each other facing upward. So we have the 3 EMA and the 20 EMA crossing each other here. This is the 20 EMA and this is the 3 EMA in red. All right, so we have both of them crossing each other at this particular point. All right, which is the second row. Then the third one is then the MACD red line should cross above zero level line. Alright, and this usually happens with the 3 EMA and 2 EMA cross. So you have this is MACD, alright, below the zero um, 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 line region. So you have that there, and sorry. Okay, yeah, below the zero level, and finally the stochastics must be touching the 20 level. So this is stochastics, all right, touching the 20 level, and that's those are the confirmation. This all this happens just you just see them on the same line, all right, and happening at the same time. So you could taking a nice buy entry here, and you see the profit trailing. All right, so we're not guaranteeing that this is going to work 100%, because there's something you need to know about the forex market, that every single trading system, there is no 100% functioning trading system. They will always have losses at one point or the other. So we're going to have losing they are going to have instances where this trading system will not going to work out perfectly. But that's how it's perfectly normal. I want you to understand that it's perfectly normal, and that's how the market is. There is no 100% efficient trading system, just so you guys know and are fully aware of that. So this is where you close the trade, where you have it breakouts of the 3 moving average. All right, as you could see there at the second cross, sorry, of the 3 and 20 moving average. All right, so that's exactly what we have uh, uh, um, about that. So that's for a buy setup. We're going to check for a sell setup. These are the exits. All right, literally when they cross, all right, when the 2 moving averages crossed again, then you could take an exit. So this is where they crossed and took an exit there. Pretty awesome, nice profits. So for a sell momentum, for a sell situation, it's the same thing. So just at this time, it's going to be an inverse. So we have the first thing that you want to see is that the price is below the 200 moving average. Sorry, which is exactly what you have here. All right, the price is below the 200 moving average, which is exactly what you have here. So you can see the 200 moving average here, and sorry, this is not so clear in terms of the picture, the colors that were used for the moving averages and all. We have the 200 moving average in red here, and then we have the 50 moving average, the 20 sorry moving average in blue. See it here, all right, and then you have the 3 moving average in green, as you could see there. So we have the price below the 200 moving average, as you can see here. Then we're going to have the 3 moving average and the 20 moving average cross. All right, and after the cross, we're expecting to see the MACD in belows above zero this time, because it's going to be for a sell. All right, so this is above zero MACD. You can see at the above zero region. All right, MACD above the MACD line should cross below the zero level, and this usually happens exactly. So you have that. All right, so it crossed all right below, and you can now see it above. All right, and we have that. So that's how we have the MACD there, and then you have the stochastics above or touching the 80 region. So we have the nice sell momentum coming up indicated. All right, so that's exactly what we have here, and you trail this all the way to the breakout. So I would like to tell you guys that this is pretty an awesome trading system, because you trade it till it breaks off the moving average, and this is quite some huge profits, all right, on the forex market. So super important. So do well to stick with the trading rules, because they will surely guarantee your profitability, but not sustain it. All right, what sustains it are part of the things that you get in the advanced course and the professional course of tradable online services. So please do well to check our website once again for more information on those. So that's exactly the second trading system. Take a good look at this picture. I have a clear demonstration of these rules, right, on the market. And exactly, so we have this the exit, which is basically when they cross out, like I told you guys in very simple terms. When the moving averages cross out, what moving averages are supposed to cross out to indicate you will exit in a trade is simply the 3 and the 20 moving average. Remember, that was the second confirmation that the two of them should cross and indicate a nice momentum. So that's exactly the same thing. So they are crossing out here to indicate that okay, the selling rally is taking off and the price might be going for a nice retracement before continuing the next impulsive move. So we want to ensure that we are not there within that retracement period. So that's exactly what we have here. All right, and so that's exactly what we're having today. Thank you very much for following us. Have a blessed day. And this is the end of this is officially the end of this demo trading course, and we're so happy and so excited to have you, and hope this was very insightful to get you familiar with the basics of the forex market. Please do well to check our websites and subscribe to our advanced or professional course. And this is super important because um, you have the basics already. What you need is the advanced knowledge and insight that would take you to the next level in trading, which will be, of course, mastery and profitability. All right, I'm sure you're very familiar with this term, learn and earn. All right, so very important. Now you're learning, all right, finish the learning process so you can earn as well. All right, trading is a great skill. You could make it something, you could make of it something that would totally change your life forever. But please ensure that you have the right system and you're under the right uh, um, um, people to lead you, and we do that very well at Tradable Online Services. So please do well to check our website at www.tradable.com, and also contact the message, the number as shown on the screen. Thank you.